The Athlete's Brace Supporter addresses the issue of elite athletes being unable to train due to injury. Using IMU and pressure sensors, it detects harmful movements while still supporting and protecting the injured.
Hi, I'm Sophia, and my project is a modular and highly customizable keyboard. In this design, each key is an individual module that connects to other keys using magnets so that any keyboard configuration is possible. This allows the user to have complete freedom to move the keys around to suit their exact needs. Many people use their keyboards for hours every day, so it'll help make this incredibly common device more accessible and efficient.
This is Connor from Sporty Laundry Basket, a fun, active and sporty way to sort all your clothes out in your room, keep arguments out your house and keep your floor nice and clear.